Me and Livy are playing in the rain. Look at this worm she found.
Look.
Oops, sorry. My umbrella got stuck.
Maybe we should try the bigger one.
Yeah, okay.
I'll try the bigger one. Oh my god.
The side. Right here.
Alright.
Don't scream.
Oh! Eee! Come on. I got it!
Hey! Put it in your hand now.
Oh, now it's not that big anymore. Whoa!
Whoa. What's it feel like? That's a super big one, too.
Woo!
Wow. You okay?
Nope.
Why'd you drop it? Did it just slip out of your hand?
Yeah.
Great, wiping on your face.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go look at the sewer.
Mm-hmm.
Sewer! Look how much water's flowing into that thing. Whoa.
You have to like unclog it from the leaves.
Yeah, unclog it. Oh, good job. Look at you helping out the city.
Oh.
I want to take you the other way. Just do it. Good job. Look at that. Now it can flow much better, huh?
And that water came. Ping!
It's pretty amazing how gray the sky is, huh?
Yeah.
Look at this.
Oh hey, there's a little puddle in this rock.
Oh my gosh, it's so cold out there. Go warm up your hands, Livy.
Oh. Then after a while it gets a little hot.
It does. Try it though, it's not that hot. Or put your lips up to it, maybe. Like blow and then put your lips up to it and then slowly sip.
Ooh, handle.
Yeah, hold it by the handle. There you go.
Oh my goodness.
Is it too hot? Yeah, just put your face to it and then tip it into your mouth.
Can I get a straw?
Sure. It's gonna be hotter if you use your straw.
A rainy adventure.
You got a sip logo. Kind of like your sleeping noodles, you know? Smalls. Yeah, there you go. You gotta suck in. Try it, go.
Keeps dripping.
I know, because you're not sucking like I'm telling you to. Go, just like you're slurping noodles. There you go. That's how you do it. There you go. See how it cools it off as you suck.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. Livy was today 8 years old when you learned how to drink hot items. Good. Good job. Show Mom how to slurp. He's learning how to slurp hot drinks.
What is that?
And soon she's gonna learn how to slurp hot ramen.
Is that hot chocolate?
That's hot chocolate. Me and her went out for an adventure walk.
In the rain, you're all wet.
Can I also have some ruffles for snack?
Some more shot.
Yeah.